Best Software Training Institute in Chennai, Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Benefits of enrolling in a software course for all individuals. Introduction to IT opportunities. The information technology sector is booming in the upcoming years, offering vast opportunities for aspiring software engineers. The industry is expanding despite a shortage of skilled workers. Software development requires knowledge of industry trends to succeed. 3 key traits of emerging technology trends. Successful technology trends in 2023 will focus on disruption, innovation, and rapid expansion. Aspiring software engineers should focus on staying ahead by identifying and aligning their skills with these transformative trends. Choosing the right path and in-demand skills. Selecting the right path in IT can be challenging. Skills like web development, HTML, CSS, Python, Java, and C#.net is essential. Other popular courses include full-stack development, web development, data science, Python, AI, and more. These skills enhance your chances of securing entry-level roles in the software industry. Specialized training opportunities. The specialized training opportunities will help excel in your software engineering career. Courses like full-stack developer, web design, data science, Python, and artificial intelligence provide practical knowledge and hands-on experience. These courses open doors to lucrative job opportunities at top-tier companies. Enhancing skills for success in software engineering. Software testing is essential for success in the software industry. Additionally, consider AWS training, DevOps courses, Hadoop for big data, and Azure certification to stand out in a competitive job market. Continuous skill enhancement is the key to success in this industry.